Hi, and welcome to this video from ETC. So in this video, we're going to show you how you can do a reset of your course in Moodle. We suggest doing a reset at the end of the semester when you want to unenroll your students and clean out all their student data, especially if you're reusing your course shell in another semester or if you're passing your course shell on to another instructor. So doing a reset doesn't change anything that you've done to the course. All of your links, all of your files, your gradebook, everything will stay the same. This just simply unenrolls your students and it clears out all of their student data. So to do this, you need to be on the main page of your course. In your administration block, under Course Administration, go to Reset. You're going to want to click on the Expand All option just so you can see all of the menus that pop up. So to start with, just start with your course main page, and really you're just going to find the things that are specific to you and specific to the items that are in your course. So you will want to choose Student to unenroll your users, and perhaps you have an IA that you want to change. You could unenroll them at this point too. Then in your gradebook, you're probably going to want to keep your items and categories the same or something similar. You can edit those later. So if you want to keep your gradebook the way it is, but just delete out the student data, just choose Delete All Grades. And then depending on if you used groups and assignments and forums and so on down the list, you may or may not see all of these options. So just go through each one and decide what you want to delete. So you probably want to delete quiz attempts, you probably want to delete submissions and assignments, you probably want to delete the group members, remove group members, but perhaps keep the groups that you created in the first place. And then if you had workshops, glossaries, Turnitin assignments, games, all of those things. So please just go through the list and decide which ones are applicable to you. And as a reminder with this page, when you choose items and submit this page, you will delete your chosen user data from this course forever. So please make sure you have done a backup before you have done this reset. And we do have a video on how to do a backup. You'll find it back on our YouTube channel. So again, double check, make sure you've done everything that you want to change here. You've checked off all the things that apply to your course. And then once you've selected the items that you want to delete or remove, then you just simply click on Reset Course. In this case, I'm not going to, just because I don't want to unenroll my students from this demo course that I have set up. So in this case, I'm going to click on Cancel. But for you, you would want to click Reset Course. But again, make sure you've done your backup and make sure you've double checked the items that you've checked off. So if you have any questions on this, please feel free to contact any of us in ETC, and have a great day.